Hello everyone. Today we have learning the what is Veka tool. Okay, our DWM practical it is on Veka. So first we know what is Veka. So Veka it is open source software. Veka is a collection of machine learning algorithm for performing the data mining task. So the first you have to install Veka, and the process of installing Veka it is very easy. I already installed in my PC, so easily you can easily install it. Okay, so what is Vega? So in this we are using the data sets. It is on data sets. Okay, so it is performing data mining. So yes, it is obvious that it is based on data set. So for first we get the data set. I have used this data set first. So first it is on data set. It is the data set of weather. How it is shown here? It is shown by relation. Relation it is showing here the data set name. Okay, so it is weather, and the attributes are showing here. So this data set we are using. So first we are I going to Veka Explorer. We choosing there are different applications: Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge Flow, Simple. But I we are only using Explorer in every practical. Okay, so Explorer, go to Explorer first, then open file, computer. This is the path of opening the dataset. Okay, local disk, program files, Veka, and data. The all data set is already means in data the default data sets are available. Okay, and if we want other data, so you go to Notepad, enter the data set, and save the path which I have used here, and the extension use we are using for Vega it is .arff. Okay, so first I choose weather. Okay, open. So this is the data sets of weather. So click on any of this. These are the attribute relation is showing here. Weather instances there are 14. Some of it 14. There are 5 attributes, and this is the visualized graph here. Show here. If we select first Outlook or temperature, the graph goes changing. Okay. In Outlook, there are 3 labels: sunny, overcast, rainy, and their counts also given here. It is all based on our data set. Okay. So first we choose Outlook. In Outlook, the sunny. The value if it is yes, the play value it is showing here. Okay. So if the value is yes, then it showing the blue color, and if the value is no, it's showing the red graph. Okay, red color. And the overcast, the value is yes, and their count is 4. And in rainy, it is red if the rainy, and if the play value is no, then the red graph is showing. And for yes value, the rainy, in rainy the play value is yes. There is a count value is yes, it's larger as compared to no value. So it is on preprocess. Next, classify. These are the different. So the next selecting classify. There are the different. Okay, so classify choose option. We can select any algorithm here. Likewise, I select in base. new base. Okay, new base algorithm I have selected. Then start. The output is showing here in classifier output. Okay, the attributes are showing here and their confusion matrix also it is showing here. Okay, the output of our data set after using this new base algorithm, it is default available on the Vega tool and the it is shown here status is okay means our if our data set is okay means then it show the status is okay. Next, the cluster. The cluster is also having default algorithms are available like simple k-means and then start. Then our cluster output showing is here. Cluster instances. What are the cluster instances? What are the values of that? It okay, and the status also here. Okay. Next, associate. Associate. It is having default a priori algorithm. Okay, I select okay, but a priori only Combiner datasets is using. Okay, so our dataset it is not nominal, so that's why it is not showing the result here. Next, select attribute. In select attribute, there are different algorithms that like base first. Okay, next visualize. Now for visualize here, we click on any. Okay, this is the Veka visualize tree classification. It gives a brief idea of how classification is done. Okay, so this is the visualization of our data set. Okay, so this is the this is all about Veka, and we are using it our we are using classify, cluster, associate in every practical we are using and how the process is to be happen. Okay, we will going through the our practicals. Okay, thank you. This is all about Veka.